Street art to me means having the platform to share your work. So for me, it makes me feel seen in the most sort of legitimate, real way possible, where I can be myself 100%.
Being a part of Long Beach Walls this year has been really fun. There's some incredible artists that I've been able to meet and see them painting, and being able to meet a lot of the community around here, so it's been a really fun experience. Being a part of an all-female roster this year has been super empowering. Everyone's murals are just so bright and bold, and it's an honor to be around such impressive and amazing women that are painting. To be included amongst them is a real honor.
I think it's pretty special because I think it's pretty rare to have an all-women lineup, and I think the energy is definitely really different. Everyone is really supportive, and I think it's just been really awesome to be amongst all the other artists.
Super important and vital, especially to our community, for the youth especially, to show them like this is possible. You know, I was always told like as a youth that art would like take you nowhere, but I just sort of stick with it, and you know, just you don't give up on your passion, you know what I mean?
A very personal experience, you know, putting a little bit of yourself on a wall is a vulnerable thing, and because, you know, you open yourself up to a lot of criticism, you open yourself up to a lot of response and feedback, and in a way that's kind of amazing because you have to do it unapologetically, and just to be able to put my art in Long Beach, my first mural in Long Beach, it's so amazing.
I think it is about, you know, friendship and artists coming together, getting to know each other, talk shop, share food. Like, that's my favorite.
Street art is a way to beautify the community. It's a way to get people to experience art that might not normally have access to art. For me, this piece, I really wanted to bring some fun and color and joy to a corner that was kind of lacking that to begin with. So I'm hoping that when people drive by, they see all these bright colors and this pattern, and they instantly are like, whoa, what's that? And want to kind of pull over and stop and find out more.
I started doing murals, and I felt like, you know, when the youth see you do that, I think it's super important, especially like street art, you know.